We made it, fam. We made it, A2I, fam.
It's war! No more fighting.
We are the dreamers of dreams.
Living life, spinning like a merry-go-round. Traveling all around the world, you know we get surround. Good vibes only. You know it's the one and only Justin Bravo. Yeah, that's my number one homie. Subscribe. Come on.
Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, A2I fam, it is at nighttime. I wasn't even gonna vlog today. I was gonna kind of take the day off and kind of relax. In the morning is my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday, and so I was just gonna have a little bit of a relaxed evening. And all of a sudden, here in San Antonio, Texas, it starts snowing, baby. Like, I'll tell you that it snows here maybe once every, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years. Like, it hardly ever snows here. It just doesn't happen. We don't, even we'll get a little flurry and we'll call it snow. But what's happening outside right now is insane. It's absolutely insane. You can see a little bit maybe still on my Maverick merch hat. A little bit's kind of melted, but I was just out there. I was checking it out, and it's just coming down more and more and more. It's starting to collect. We got a fire going. It's starting to feel like Christmas, and I'll tell you, it's like the best birthday gift ever. It's absolutely the best birthday gift ever. So we're gonna go outside and we're gonna play in the snow a little bit and really enjoy it as much as we can, because this is San Antonio and it's snowing. Oh my God.
This is so cool. It's a JB birthday snow.
This is cool right here.
It is beautiful.
Oh!
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh.
Wow.
So cool.
It's so cold.
If you go over there, you can do like a tornado, or if you go like stand in the street on there, or if you go like that on the sidewalk, then it looks like balls falling on you.
Yay!
Whoa, what do you think about this snow, homie?
Woo!
Wow, this is getting pretty intense.
I want to let you guys know something. It's freezing out here, but we live in San Antonio where it's hot as heck all the time. Look at it! And this is great to see sometimes.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Wow, look at this.
Look at the tree.
Dang, this is some serious snowage.
It's beautiful. I know. What do you think, Caitlin?
I'm going back. What? It's snowing like crazy.
You 100% can make snowballs in about 5 more minutes.
Yeah, but we can't touch the snow because we have to let it pile up so school gets canceled.
I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Well, we can always hope.
It's snowing in San Antonio. Who knew?
Alright, snow's really coming down. I think there's like 2 inches on the car. It's, this is exciting. Look at this. Look at it. Look at the headlights. You can see how much snow. It's incredible. I mean, look at it. It's really coming down right now. Baby, how you feeling about this?
It's good.
Round the face, round the face. No, it's not my snowball.
Yours like did nothing.
slide. I got the mad juice. What they don't know.
Oh, what do they know?
I got fans. No, don't take off.
Oh!
Okay, so let me tell you something real quick. Christmas is fun.
Ah!
But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Ooh, all right. We go back inside and warm up a little bit more, and then we'll come back out. All right. Woo. Yo, Gaby, how you feeling, man?
God, like the snow line.
Okay, so the trampoline is full of snow. It is maxed out, and I think the only appropriate thing to do is to go out there and jump on it. So, y'all ready to do that?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Well, we already brought some snow.
Look at that trampoline. Who wants to get on the trampoline?
I want to get on trampoline.
Trampoline snow jump. Snow trampoline. What do you think? You think it's going to be hard as a rock?
Trampoline battles. Wait, let's do a barefooted.
Who wants to do a backflip on the trampoline full of snow?
Barefooted. That barefooted.
Yeah. The whole backyard is completely. Look at this. I can, yeah.
It's a wonderland.
It's so much. So much snow. Look at them.
Get on! Get on! It's snowing! I've never seen
What? That was like a.
I slid a little.
All right, do it again.
Snowing to contact. Okay,
You okay?
We're gonna put like this. We're making a snowman. Look at it's on mine.
Hey, baby.
This side. Come on.
The camera's shaking so much. Ooh, it's so cold. I mean, I am wearing shorts. Ooh, I have just the thing to fix this situation. I'll be right back. Right back. Ooh, all right.
Oh my lord.
Ooh, look at this. I was waiting for the perfect occasion to wear my polar bear coat, and it's here. It's here. Finally hit San Antonio. It's been sitting in my closet just waiting for this special moment. And we made it. We made it, fam. We made it, A2I, fam.
It's war. No more fighting.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is slippery. That's a big pile of snow you're lying in.
I know. It's mine, all mine.
I think we got our snow fill for tonight at least. Maybe in the morning, hopefully there'll be a little bit of snow. I know the kids are hoping and praying. They're hoping that it's going to be a school's off, snow day, they cancel it, and it might happen. You never know. Snow's still coming down. The fire's going inside. It's going to be an amazing evening, and we're just going to chill out and relax. And I don't know what's going to happen in the morning. I don't know if it's going to keep snowing, but if it keeps coming down like this, we're going to come out to like 2 feet of snow in the morning, maybe more. Who knows? Or, you know, it could be a regular San Antonio day and it'd be like all gone. Well, that thing is covered.